The LAMTTO Fuji Dash Cam combines real-time monitoring, AI motion detection, and GPS tracking. Record inside and outside your vehicle. Easy installation, no need to modify car wiring. Many users worry about compatibility. Don't worry. 99 of OBD2 ports are universal. If your car doesn't fit, you can use a hardwire kit to connect to ACC instead. View your car anytime, anywhere through the app. Let's get your camera installed properly. Follow these steps. Step 1. Wipe clean the area where you'll install the dash cam. Step 2. Stick the transparent static film on the cleaned surface. Step 3. Attach the adhesive mount to the static film in the correct direction. Let it rest 4 to 4 hours for a firm hold. Step 4. Clip the camera onto the adhesive base. Step 5. Plug the Type-C connector into the dash cam. Hide the cable neatly along the A-pillar toward the OBD port. Step 6. Insert the OBD plug into your car's diagnostic port under the steering wheel. Start your car, the dash cam powers on automatically. Next, let's connect the dash cam to your phone. Step 1. Download the app called U-Box Pro from the App Store or Google Play, or simply scan the QR code on your manual. Step 2. Open the app and allow all permissions, especially location and notifications. These are needed for proper operation. Step 3. Create an account and log in. After a successful connection, a 7-day free trial of data traffic and a 30-day free cloud storage will be automatically activated. You can watch your car surroundings in real time from anywhere. Perfect for checking your car when parked outside or in a new area. Press the microphone icon to talk directly through the dash cam speaker. You can warn someone near your car or respond instantly to alerts. The dash cam uses AI to recognize people around your car. If it detects someone approaching, it sends an instant push notification. All event videos are automatically uploaded to the cloud. Even if the SD card is removed, your footage stays safe online. With built-in GPS, you can check your car's real-time location anytime. The app also shows your driving route and history clearly on the map. When parked, Sentry mode stays active using low power. It records automatically if motion or impact is detected, then alerts you. You can set the alarm frequency and when to alarm according to your lifestyle. When you don't want to record the in-car visuals and audio, simply turn on privacy mode. This cellular dashcam supports multiple mobile phones accessing it via an app. Suitable for the car owners concerned about theft, vandalism, fleet managers, you commercial drivers, insurance-conscious drivers, parents of teen drivers, tech enthusiasts, you early adopters. Many customers ask, why do I need a data or cloud plan? That's because real-time viewing, alerts, and remote access all need mobile data to work. Without a plan, your dashcam still records locally to the SD card. You just won't receive live notifications or access from your phone when you're away. We understand some customers were surprised by the data plan. That's why we've added a free trial and clearer guides like this one. Thank you for choosing LAMTTO. If you have any trouble connecting or need replacement parts, please get in touch with support at LAMTTO.com. Drive smarter, drive safer with LAMTTO.